In today's video, we're excited to dive deep into the world of cabbage and uncover the incredible disease-preventing nutrients it offers. Join us as we explore the various uses and remarkable benefits of this powerful cancer-fighting food. What is cabbage? Cabbage is a versatile and nutrient-dense vegetable that has been cultivated for thousands of years. It is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to any diet. But did you know that cabbage has gained a lot of attention in recent years due to its potential anti-cancer properties? You can use it in a variety of dishes, including salads, soups, stir-fries, and coleslaw. Sauerkraut, a fermented food that is rich in probiotics and has been shown to have numerous health benefits, is also made from this vegetable. What are the health benefits of cabbage? Cabbage is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and can help to support the immune system, promote healthy digestion, and support brain function. Potential benefits of cabbage include digestive health. High fiber content in cabbage promotes a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, cabbage can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. Heart health. Potassium and phytonutrients in cabbage can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory. Cabbage contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help alleviate symptoms of various inflammatory conditions. Immune support. Vitamin C in cabbage boosts the immune system, helping the body fight off illnesses. What makes cabbage a cancer-battling superfood? Cabbage falls within the cruciferous vegetable family, making it a close relative of broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables are renowned for their cancer-fighting properties and constitute a vital component of any cancer-preventive diet. Within cabbage, a medley of compounds, including sulforaphane, anthocyanins, and glucosinolates, collaborates to thwart cancer development and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Sulforaphane emerges as a potent guardian in your body's defense against cancer. It doesn't merely stand by, instead, it kickstarts your natural detoxification enzymes into overdrive. This proactive stance enables your body to identify and neutralize potential carcinogens before they can inflict harm. For those eager to unearth more natural methods for maintaining good health, a simple click on the link in the show notes grants access to our free anti-cancer workshop. We appreciate your presence today, and keep in mind, there are 99 more transformative anti-cancer food videos awaiting your attention. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel to remain informed about the latest essential wellness trends.